Excellency Ambassador of the UAE to India, Excellencies, Ambassadors, High Commissioners, Heads of Missions, very distinguished dignitaries who have joined us on this auspicious occasion on the eve of UAE's National Day, when we are all assembled here to celebrate the glory of the United Arab Emirates, celebrate the wonderful relationship that Bharat and UAE enjoy, celebrate the deep bonds of friendship between the people of the United Arab Emirates and India. I'm truly delighted to be a part of the 54th National Day celebrations. Eid al-Ittihad Mubarak. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the warmth and hospitality that I have always enjoyed in this relationship, in every interaction with you, Excellency, and with all our dear friends whom I always enjoy meeting, and on this auspicious day it makes it even more special. Friends, a very famous composer in India, Mr. A.R. Rahman, has composed a very special song for the UAE National Day, Jamal al-Ittihad. It sings, if I may quote, "If the UAE were a melody, it would be happiness." The United Arab Emirates, they do not wait for the future, they design the future. The United Arab Emirates, an oasis in the desert, a global hub for innovation, for tolerance and economic excellence. India and the United Arab Emirates share a very special relationship. 53 years of diplomatic ties, but more importantly, many centuries of trade and working as families would do. We have been part of each other's history for centuries, ever since we started trading in different products, and in some sense this relationship reflects true economic excellence.